Hello everyone, and welcome back to WordWork. Today's lesson is all about phrasal verbs, short, powerful phrases you'll hear every day in English. We'll cover 20 common ones you can use at home, at work, and in conversation. Let's get started. At home. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Turn on, to make a machine start. Example, turn on the TV, please. Turn off, to stop a machine. Example, don't forget to turn off the lights. Pick up, to lift something or collect someone. Example, can you pick up the kids from school? Put away, to return something to its place. Example, please put away your clothes after washing them. At work. Deal with, to handle a situation or problem. Example, I deal with customer emails every morning. Go over, to review or check something carefully. Example, let's go over the report together. Fill out, to complete a form or document. Example, please fill out this application form. Carry on, to continue doing something. Example, even when it's hard, carry on and do your best. Take over, to begin controlling or managing something. Example, I'll take over the project while you're away. Out and about. Run into, to meet someone by chance. Example, I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket. Look for, to search for something. Example, I'm looking for my keys. Give back, to return something to its owner. Example, don't forget to give back that book you borrowed. Try on, to put on clothes to see if they fit. Example, she tried on 3 dresses before choosing one. Hang out, to relax or spend time with friends. Example, I like to hang out with my friends on weekends. Calm down, to relax after being upset. Example, take a deep breath and calm down. Cheer up, to become happier. Example, cheer up, tomorrow will be better. Find out, to learn new information. Example, I found out the results this morning. Look after, to take care of someone or something. Example, I look after my little brother after school. Give up, to stop trying. Example, don't give up, keep practicing English. Great job! You've learned 20 useful phrasal verbs for everyday life. Which ones do you use most often? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow WordWork, where we help you build real English for real life.